Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm cooking planked salmon in a wood-fired oven. Salmon is a lovely fish to cook on the barbecue or wood-fired oven. It can be quite a delicate fish sometimes and stick quite easily, so cooking it on a plank is a great way of protecting it and cooking it nicely, and works especially well in a wood-fired oven. That just stops it from burning. So I've got my Delivita wood-fired oven fired up behind me. It's set at about 180 degrees C, so it's going to give this a nice roasting, a nice bit of smoke and a good bit of colour. So I've had my plank. This is a plank of cherry wood soaking in water for about an hour. What I'm going to do with that is I've got some slices of lemon, and I'm going to put those down first onto the plank. I've got some nice marjoram here. You can use oregano or whatever herbs you like, really. Just give it a nice herby sort of flavour. I love marjoram. I've got it growing plentifully in the garden. Then you get your salmon fillet. This is like a tail end of salmon, and you put it on top like that. Okay, and then a little sprinkle of salt and pepper on top. There we go, bit of seasoning, it's good. Then to keep an eye on the temperatures, I've got my meter plus here, and I'm just going to pop that into the thick end up to the mark here. There we go. Now the meter's in, the meter probe will talk to the base unit of the meter plus, and that will then talk to my phone via Bluetooth. So I'm just going to set it up now for the cook. There's fish, and there we go. I'm going to set that up so it cooks it to 55 degrees C, and that goes into the wood-fired oven. I've just pushed the embers to the back there so they'll smoke away and smoulder, add a nice smoky flavour along with the cherry in the plank to the salmon, and this is going to be amazing. I'm going to take it out now and just let it rest as the meter probe suggests. It looks beautiful colour and it's nicely cooked. I'm going to have a taste now. I'm going to take the meter probe out. That's done its job, done a great job. Works really well on fish as well as meat. It smells wonderful, so I'm just going to have a little taste. Nice sweet smokiness on the top of the fish from the maple syrup and the smoke. Oh, that's so beautifully cooked. Nice, simple, great way of cooking salmon, this, on a plank in a wood-fired oven. Temperature's nailed with meter as always. You don't have to use a wood-fired oven. If you haven't got one, you can cook this on the barbecue too. Really happy with this and hope you've enjoyed it as well. There's a subscribe button down there, please hit it. Let me know you like this video. Have you tried planked salmon? Let me know. Cheers, take care.